Superficial fungal spoilage of egg is at high humidity. Red rot of egg is due to Serratia. Pink coloration of salted fish product is due to Helicobacterium, Pseudomonas and Helicococcus species. Canned meat is generally spoiled by Clostridium. In smoked fish, the causative organism for its spoilage is Aspergillus flavus. Meats are irradiated to prevent the outbreak of salmonellosis. Milk is pasteurized at 62.8 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes is to eliminate Coxiella burnetii. Use of high acidity milk for guava making results in sour flavor. Rancid flavor of guava during storage is due to lipase. Which of the following is responsible for hard body of guava? Excessive low fat content of milk, excessive low moisture content, milk adulteration with starch. Gritty texture of guava is due to sand-like particles and lactose crystals. Moldy surface of guava may be due to excessive high moisture content of guava, excessive high humidity of storage room, and air leaky packaging of guava. Coarse texture of guava is due to high acidity of milk, low fat content of milk, high temperature of dehydration. Khurjan is a concentrated sweetened whole milk product. Moisture content of Khurjan is about 27.9. Fat content of Khurjan is about 23.6%. Protein content of Khurjan is about 15%. Lactose content of Khurjan is about 15%. Sugar content of Khurjan is about 15%. Rabri is concentrated sweetened whole milk product. Moisture content of Khurjan is about 30%. Coxiella burnetii is responsible for Q fever. Which of the following organism is spread through milk? Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Listeria monocytogenes, and Coxiella burnetii. UHT process usually refers to pasteurization technique with temperature of at 130 degrees Celsius in a continuous flow with holding times of approximately 1 second or more. Heating of cream at low pressure is called vacuation. Ripping apart of curd by rapid gas production causing the so-called stormy fermentation. Sweet curdling in milk is caused by Calocerease. Maltiness in butter is due to Streptococcus lactis. The protein is produced by Pseudomonas fluorescens in milk survives pasteurization even though the bacterium does not. Ropiness of milk, which is observed at the top, is caused by alkaligenous viscolactis. Orange yellow color in butter is due to Uspora lactis. Ropiness of milk, which is observed throughout milk, is caused by Enterobacter aerogenes. Burnt or caramel flavor in milk is a type of spoilage caused by Streptococcus lactis. Which of the following is frequently reported in fresh meat? Moraxella, Pseudomonas, and Psychrobacter. Which of the following does not occur in fresh meat? Campylobacter. Which of the following occur in fresh meat? Alkaligens, Cornybacterium, Escherichia, Flavobacterium, Lactococcus, Leuconostoc, Listeria, Microbacterium, Micrococcus, Pediococcus, Staphylococcus, Citrobacter. Which of the following is frequently reported in fresh livers? Micrococcus. Rind rot is being observed in cheese. Maltiness in milk is due to Streptococcus lactis. Fishiness in milk is caused by Aeromonas hydrophila. Which type of spoilage do you expect in canned evaporated milk? Curd formation, bulged can, and bitter flavor. Rusty spot in cheese is due to Lactobacillus plantarum. Skunk-like flavor in milk is caused by Pseudomonas. The unwanted gas formation in cheese may be due to E. coli. Blue milk is caused by Pseudomonas syncytia. Yellow milk is due to Pseudomonas cinchantha. Red milk is caused by Serratia marzens. Bitterness in lactic acid culture is due to Streptococcus liquefaciens. Brown milk is due to Pseudomonas putrefaciens. Dash is a condition where the can has flat end on which will become convex when the sides are stuck sharply or the temperature of the content is increased. Flipper. Action of food acid on the can results in hydrogen swell. A hard swell has such high gas pressure from within that the end are too hard to dent by hand. Flat sour spoilage of canned food is caused due to bacillus. TA spoilage of canned food is called so because it is being caused by thermophilic anaerobic bacteria. In TA spoilage, gas formed is hydrogen. Desulfotomaculum nigrificans causes sulfide stinker. Clostridium botulinum is mesophilic spore forming bacteria. Microorganism involved in spoilage of canned fruits is Basoclamis fulva. A breather is a can with minute leak that permit air to move in or out but does not necessarily allow microorganism to enter. Canned medium acid foods are mostly attacked by Clostridium thermosaccharolyticum. Black beet in canned food are caused by mesophilic bacteria, Bacillus beta grificans. Appearance of objectionable flavors from less oxidation than is to produce rancidity. Reversion. Anaerobic degradation of protein with the production of indole, skatol, etc. Putrefaction. Oil that contain linoleic acid are subject to flavor. Reversion. Oxidation of butter fat and meat fat makes them tallowy. Yeast, chiefly Turlopsis candida, are the most likely causes of spoilage of soft drink. Solar salt contain halophiles such as Halobacterium salinarium. Bacteria which can be isolated from spoiled soft drinks are Gluconobacter, Lactobacillus, and Leuconostoc. Which of the following microorganisms are involved in spoilage of clove? Clostridium. TA spoilage in the case of spices is caused by Clostridium thermosaccharolyticum. Sulfide spoilage in the case of spices is due to Clostridium nigricans. Fat sour spoilage is due to Bacillus styrothermophilus. Red color of maple sap is due to Micrococcus rosus. Ropy or stinky nature of maple syrup is due to Enterobacter aerogenes. Greenish or cloudy shape of maple leaf is due to Pseudomonas fluorescens. Which xerophilic microorganism is responsible for the spoilage of confectionery product? Torulopsis. Saccharomyces meles, responsible for the spoilage of confectionery product, is xerophilic. Which of the following mold strain can grow at refrigerated temperature? Aspergillus, Cladosporium and Thamnidium. Ozone gas should not be used in storage of high lipid food. Which of the following is produced by foodborne organisms and inhibit growth of other organisms? Antibiotics, bacteriocins and hydrogen peroxide. Stiffening of muscles upon slaughter is due to the formation of actomycin. Amla is a very good source of vitamin C. Yellow fruits contain carotenoids. Anthocyanins are found in blueberries. Carotenoids are fat soluble. Anthocyanins are water soluble. Upon slaughtering, oxidation reduction potential decreases. Upon slaughter, fat in the animal get solidified. Upon slaughter, temperature of the animal body decreases. Glycolysis after slaughtering decreases the pH level approximately up to 5.6. Which of the following is associated with rigor mortis? Stiffening of muscle, oxidation reduction potential reduction, reduction in animal body temperature. Which of the following is associated with rigor mortis? pH lowering, protein denaturation and solidification. Which of the following is frequently reported in fresh meat? Acinetobacter, Aeromonas and Psychrobacter.